Hey everyone, it's me Akash. In this video I'm going to show you the best extension to block ads and stop redirect happening in a website or a web page. So this video is divided into two parts. First of all, I will be showing you the process in the PC and secondly on your phone. So let's get started. Now in the PC, open your Chrome browser. Here click on the three dot sign, go to more tools and click on extensions. Now over here turn on the developer mode and go to the three bar signs, go all the way down and click on open Chrome web store. Now the page loads over here. Click on the search the store and type on uBlock origin. Type each letter by yourself, don't use the recommended one. Click on enter and click on the first option uBlock origin and click on add to Chrome. It will ask you about this. Click on add extension. As you can see, it has been downloaded. Now a small icon pop-ups over here. Click on the brush tool and pin the uBlock origin. Now I'll be showing you whether the uBlock origin works or not. Let's just turn off the uBlock origin and move on to a random site to check whether it works or not. I'll click on 9anime and click to go to home page. I'll randomly click on watch now. As you can see, there are various ads being displayed over the sideways templates. Let's click on play. Currently a redirect is happening. Let's cross it and click on. The video is perfectly working. Let's cross it and turn on the uBlock origin to see whether it works or not. So we'll click on new tab and go through the same website 9anime and click on go to home page again. Click on watch now again. As you can see, there are no ads being displayed and there is no redirect happening over here. If we click on play, now in the phone, the Chrome browser does not allow you to add extensions like adblock, so you have to use the alternative browsers such as Kiwi browser or Mozilla Firefox. So in order to download such browsers, just go to the Play Store, type on the name and click on install like this. Kiwi browser is absolutely safe and secure for you, so don't worry about it. After it's done, just click on open. Now the browser goes like this. Just click on the three dot sign and go down and click on extensions. Now it will take you over here. Turn on the developer mode like this and we'll click on the three bar sign, go all the way down and click on open Kiwi web store. It's loading. Let's wait for the page to settle down. Then we'll zoom in and we'll click on search the store. Now we'll type on adblock origin. Type each letter by yourself, it's a suggestion. And we'll click on go. Let's zoom out. It is the third one. We'll click on the third one. Now it will take you over here. Click on add to Chrome. It will ask you about this. You don't need to worry. Click on OK. It's completely safe. So it has already been downloaded. Now in the same browser, just go to your favorite website or web page and watch anything. There will be no ads, there will be no redirect. Just have a good time. Thank you and thanks for watching this video.